A modern financial services digital enterprise must be built on a hybrid cloud infrastructure designed for operational resilience, security, and simplicity. Nutanix delivers a suite of control plane and self-service tools designed to delight IT and DevOps practitioners of all levels. Now, we want to show you how easy it is to try Nutanix for yourself in our free test drive. Let's get started. Here on the test drive page, we wanted to make it as simple as possible to get in and start seeing Nutanix for yourself. So you simply have to type in your work email. It'll then send you an email with your own personalized link. This link will give you direct access to the Nutanix management interface, Prism Central, as well as providing a code where if the button doesn't work, you can type it in manually. Within Prism Central, you'll see that we have a lot of different options available. You can modernize your infrastructure and see the benefits of VM and storage management using Nutanix AOS and HCI. You can see how to automate your operations using machine learning and predictive tasks to see how your growth is happening, take action when particular alerts are triggered or particular events happen, as well as blueprint applications across clouds and across hypervisors. You can ensure business continuity using our DR solutions, either between Nutanix clusters or between Nutanix and the cloud, ensuring that no matter what happens, you'll always be able to recover your workloads. We also have a module dedicated to consolidating your data types so that you don't have to have a separate silo for file, VM, object, container. You can bring all of them together on the Nutanix platform. So what happens when we go into one of these? Let's take a look at automate operations. Here, we see that we have different subtasks we can accomplish. We can leverage that machine data I mentioned before to see how our growth is happening and predict when we're going to run out of capacity, as well as automate operations based on triggers and create playbooks. We can deploy applications, no matter how simple or complex, on demand and publish them in a self-service way using Nutanix Calm. We can automate our database administration using Nutanix Era, cloning databases, taking snapshots, going back to points in time, creating development databases, and so on. It's all just a click away. And finally, we can deploy Kubernetes on-prem and use cloud-native technologies wherever we might need them. If we take a look here at database operations, we're going to see that we're going to connect into the Era VM. This is the management interface for databases specifically. Here in Era, we now have some other tasks. Do we want to deploy a database? Do we want to clone a production database so that we can have a development environment or a staging environment? Do we want to refresh data in those clones so that we always have the most up-to-date snapshot of what's going on in the environment to ensure that no matter what you're developing, you know that your system will be able to handle it? If we take a look at deploying a database, for instance, we're now given some background. In this case, we're going to be deploying a MariaDB, and we see that there's a click-through guide here that'll show us exactly what to do, what to click on, and what each step, and providing some context on each step. And this continues. Each and every tour in the test drive has this deep information, allowing you to see exactly how to use Prism and Nutanix, but also this is a real cluster. This is actually happening. So you can see for yourself exactly what it feels like to create databases, to create VMs, to create storage, to create automation on Nutanix, and see end-to-end the value that Nutanix provides for you. Now, of course, if you have any questions, you're looking for more context or more information, we have a handy chatbot enabled here. We have a team of experienced specialists that will respond to any question you may have, be it I'm curious about how this works, I'm curious to learn more about this, or I just want to talk to someone. We have that integrated right here, allowing you to get whatever information you need on demand. And of course, databases is not, as you saw before, databases is just one piece of this. Each and every one of these tasks gives you a deep dive into the Nutanix platform, allowing you to see all of the capabilities that we can provide. So please Check out Test Drive and give it a spin for yourself. As you can see, it's never been easier to experience the simplicity and operational power of Nutanix for yourself. Once you've explored the Test Drive, we'd love to talk to you more and explore more ways that Nutanix can help you in your operational day-to-day environment. Reach out to us in the chatbot within the Test Drive or at nutanix.com/contact, and we'd love to have a one-on-one discussion on how we can help you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.